Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Week. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. And if you're preparing for any competitive examination after your law, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Legal Week and visit our website www.iexamb.com. We have online courses available for various examinations like IBPS SO Law, IBPS RRB Law Officer, SEBI Grade A Legal Officer, RBI Grade B Legal Officer, OICL, IFSCA, etc. सारे एग्जाम के कोर्सेज के आप डेमो एक्टिवेट करके देख सकते हैं. And if you have any queries, you can reach out to us. In this YouTube channel, Legal B, we keep on bringing different videos which are beneficial for your preparation. One such series I have started for discussing important MCQs from insurance laws as well as banking laws. In case of queries, you can also write us an email on hello@iexamb.com or call us on this number 920-5524028. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. So this is the fourth video of my series in which I am going to cover MCQs from Motor Vehicles Act 1988. आप इन वीडियो के PPTs को भी डाउनलोड करके रख सकते हैं, which will help you in your preparation. First question. Motor Vehicles Act was enacted in the year 1988, 87, 96, 2017, 2015. कौन से साल में Motor Vehicle Act enact हुआ था? Don't forget to check what has been asked, whether it is enactment or whether it is commencement. So here the question is relating to enactment. Motor Vehicle Act is a legislation to consolidate and amend the law relating to motor vehicles. So Motor Vehicle Act was enacted on 14th October 1988 and it came into force on 1st July 1989. What is an adapter vehicle? A motor vehicle designed by engineers, any motor vehicle specially designed for use of person who is physically disabled, any motor vehicle specially designed for use in army, any motor vehicle specially designed for use in sports, that is car racing. Correct answer is C. Any motor vehicle which is specially designed for use of a person who is physically disabled. Section 2 talks about definitions in which adapted vehicle is covered, which means a motor vehicle either specially designed and constructed or to which alterations have been made under subsection 2 of section 52 for the use of a person suffering from any physical defect or disability, and that is used solely for such person. So adapted vehicle के definition में क्या आता है? Definitely those kind of vehicles which are specially designed and उनके adaptations इसलिए है कि वो physically disabled लोगों के लिए हो सकते हैं. Motor vehicle designed for the use of a person who is physically disabled. What is axle weight? Average weight of vehicle. Total weight transmitted by several wheels that are attached to the axle. Total weight transmitted by several wheels that are attached to an axle to surface on which vehicle rests. Average weight transmitted by several wheels that are attached to the axle to surface on which the vehicle rests. Weight of the axle of a vehicle. So axle weight में भी उन्होंने कैसे आपको options दिए हैं यहाँ पे, changing the options and making it confusing basically. So average weight of the vehicle or total weight of the vehicle, total weight that comes on the surface when the vehicle rests, etc. Correct answer is C. Total weight that is transmitted by several wheels that are attached to an axle to surface on which the vehicle rests. This also has been covered from the definition section 2 clause 3 axle weight. What is community service in context of Motor Vehicles Act? It is a kind of social work. It is a kind of social work that has no correlation with this act. Unpaid work required to perform as punishment for an offence under the act. Unpaid services that are permissible under MV Act, including taxis, includes public vehicles working for social cause under the MV Act. So community service in context of Motor Vehicles Act, the correct answer is C. Unpaid work that is required to perform as a punishment for an offence under this act. Section 2 clause 4A talks about community service. Now community service is covered as a punishment in the new criminal laws as well. It has been added as a form of punishment under BNS. Time period following a traumatic injury during which there is highest likelihood of preventing death by providing prompt medical care. Very important topic from Motor Vehicle Act. कई बार इस पे से questions आते हैं. Golden hour, zero hour, red hour, first aid hour, green hour. अभी ये options दिए हुए हैं आपको confuse करने के लिए, but I hope you all are very clear with this concept. बहुत ही important concept है ये MV Act से. Correct answer is A, golden hour. Section 2, 12A, golden hour is covered in this particular area. That's Section 2, definitions clause में 12A. What's the age limit in connection with driving of motor vehicles? 18 years, 16 years, 18 for boys, 16 for girls, 16 for boys, 18 for girls, 21 years. Driving of motor vehicles and driving of transport vehicles. ये भी आपको हमेशा ध्यान में होना चाहिए, दोनों में फर्क है एज लिमिट में. अब आपको क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पढ़ना है कि क्या पूछा गया है. So here it has been asked motor vehicles, so the age is 18 only for both girls as well as boys. Section 4 covers this one. And if it is not exceeding 50 cc, कुछ vehicles अगर हैं उस capacity के अंदर, then the age will be 16 years. No person shall drive any vehicle in dash without dash, public place or other place without insurance, public place without registration, public place or other place without registration, public place or other place without insurance and registration, public place without insurance. Again, the answer is very simple, just the options seem to make it confusing. The correct answer is C, public place or other place without registration. Section 39 talks about the necessity for registration. No person shall drive any motor vehicle and no owner of a motor vehicle shall cause or permit the vehicle to be driven in any public place or in any other place unless the vehicle is registered in accordance with this chapter and the certificate of registration of the vehicle has not been suspended or cancelled. Every vehicle driver has a duty to obey the traffic signs, and he shall be in conformity with the driving regulations that are made by dash. State government, central government, both state and central government, traffic police, state government and traffic police. Correct answer is B. Duty to obey traffic signs is covered under section 109, which talks about 119, which talks about this. Central government is having the power to make these regulations. Who is an authorized insurer? Insured person, insurer carrying out insurance business in India, insured person registered in India, insurer carrying out insurance business in India and granted registration certificate by the IRDA, insurer carrying out insurance business in India. So who is an authorized insurer? Correct answer is D. Insurer carrying out insurance business in India and granted registration certificate by the IRDA. Section 145 covers all the definitions of this chapter. Please remember, this chapter is very important if you are giving an examination relating to insurance development, insurance regulatory bodies, then definitely ये chapter MB Act का काफी important है आपके लिए. इसमें separately definitions भी दिए हैं. I would suggest everyone to be thoroughly prepared with that. What is hit and run motor accident? ये भी काफी news में था अभी because of the new provisions which is yet not enforced in BNS 106. So उसके हिसाब से ये काफी current topic हो जाता है, तो ये भी important है. What is hit and run motor accident? Accident on road, motor vehicle accident, accident on road including roadside, accident where identity is not known of the victim, accident by use of a motor vehicle the identity whereof cannot be ascertained. Correct answer is E. ये exactly ऐसे ही wordings है law में. Section 145 definitions only covers the hit and run motor accident. Clause D covers that. Certificate of insurance is included in policy of insurance, excluded from policy of insurance, same as policy of insurance, altogether different from policy of insurance, slightly different from the policy of insurance. So certificate of insurance is A, included in the policy of insurance. Section 145 talks about definitions. Policy of insurance includes the certificate of insurance. Third party in an insurance policy includes driver also, central government, government and driver, government driver and co-worker on the vehicle, driver, co-worker and owner of a vehicle. So third party in an insurance policy includes whom? That is what is asked. Correct answer is D. Government driver and co-worker on the vehicle is included. ये भी definition से pick किया है third party. कई बार हमें government याद नहीं आता है, driver आ सकता है, co-worker याद ना आए, तो that's why be very specific कि third party में क्या क्या included है. No party shall use any vehicle in public place unless there is in force a third party insurance policy against risks, there is a certificate of insurance, there is a previous policy of insurance, there is an ongoing policy of insurance, there is in force a certificate of insurance against third party risks. Correct answer is A. There is in force a third party insurance policy against risks. Section 146 talks about necessity for insurance against third party risks. Which of the following correctly talks about requirements or limits of liability of an insurance policy? It should be issued by an authorized insurer, including liability incurred for death or bodily injury to any person excluding the owner of the goods, including liability incurred for death or bodily injury to any person including the owner of the goods, including damage to any third party property caused by or arising out of the use of motor vehicles in a public place, both C and D. So which of the following correctly talks about requirements or limits of liability of an insurance policy? Correct answer is E. Both C and D are correct over here, including liability incurred for death or bodily injury to any person, including owner of the goods, including damage to any third party property as well. Section 147 covers this point, requirements of policies and limits of liabilities. So all these points have been covered over here. Is there any provision of settlement in Motor Vehicle Act? No provision of settlement by the victim, provision of settlement by the insurance company, provision of settlement by way of conciliation, provision of settlement by way of mediation. So do we have this procedure in the Motor Vehicles Act? Do we have ADR here? Correct answer is C. Settlement by insurance company and procedure, therefore, section 149 covers this point. Insurance company shall, upon receiving information of the accident, either from the claimant or through accident information report or otherwise, designate an officer to settle the claims relating to such an accident. So the correct answer is C. Provision of settlement by the insurance company. For all such kind of videos, stay tuned to Liability. In case of any queries, reach out to us. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB.